Welcome to Vintage Wheels Quiz. Today, we'll test your knowledge of classic convertibles from the 1950s. Here's how it works: if you guess the car before the options appear, you earn 3 points. If you wait for the options and choose correctly, you earn 1 point. Keep track of your score, and at the end you'll discover your category. Let's get started. Can you identify this convertible? Option A, 1954 Oldsmobile 98. B, 1953 Packard Caribbean. C, 1952 Lincoln Capri. D, 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. The correct answer is B, 1953 Packard Caribbean. Do you recognize this classic? Option A, 1953 Buick Skylark. B, 1956 Mercury Montclair. C, 1954 Hudson Hornet. D, 1955 Dodge Royal Lancer. Correct. It's the 1953 Buick Skylark. What's the name of this 1950s drop top? Option A, 1955 Ford Fairlane Sunliner. B, 1955 DeSoto Fireflight. C, 1954 Packard Clipper. D, 1956 Chrysler Windsor. If you chose A, you nailed it, 1955 Ford Fairlane Sunliner. Which model are you looking at here? Option A, 1958 Oldsmobile 98. B, 1957 Pontiac Bonneville. C, 1957 Chrysler 300C. D, 1956 Lincoln Premier. The right answer is C, 1957 Chrysler 300C. Test your memory. What car is this? Option A, 1954 Mercury Monterey. B, 1956 Buick Roadmaster. C, 1955 Cadillac Eldorado. D, 1955 Pontiac Chieftain. The correct answer is D, 1955 Pontiac Chieftain. Name this convertible from the Golden Era. Option A, 1953 Plymouth Belvedere. B, 1954 Dodge Kingsway Custom. C, 1952 Kaiser Manhattan. D, 1955 Nash Rambler. The right answer is B, 1954 Dodge Kingsway Custom. Time for another one. What car is this? Option A, 1951 Studebaker Champion. B, 1953 Kaiser Dragon. C, 1952 Buick Roadmaster. D, 1955 Pontiac Star Chief. That's the 1951 Studebaker Champion. Do you know what model this is? Option A, 1951 Ford Victoria. B, 1953 Plymouth Cranbrook. C, 1954 Oldsmobile Super 88. D, 1953 Studebaker Commander. If you chose B, 1953 Plymouth Cranbrook, you're correct. Can you choose the right one? Option A, 1956 Lincoln Capri. B, 1957 Chrysler New Yorker. C, 1955 Buick Century. D, 1958 Cadillac DeVille. The correct choice is 1958 Cadillac DeVille. Which is the right choice? Option A, 1953 Dodge Coronet. B, 1952 Buick Super. C, 1954 Mercury Sun Valley. D, 1951 Chevrolet Styline Deluxe. Well spotted, 1952 Buick Super. What's this car called? Option A, 1950 Ford Custom Deluxe. B, 1957 Lincoln Premier. C, 1952 Chrysler Windsor. D, 1950 Studebaker Commander. The correct answer is B, 1957 Lincoln Premier. Final round. Can you identify this car? Option A, 1956 Plymouth Fury. B, 1955 Cadillac Series 62. C, 1957 Mercury Turnpike Cruiser. D, 1954 Hudson Jet. And the answer is A, 1956 Plymouth Fury. Now, let's see where you stand. Your final score determines your title. Are you ready? If you scored between 0 and 5 points, you're a rust bucket rookie. Looks like your classic car knowledge needs a serious tune-up. Time to hit the car shows and brush up on those classics. If you scored between 6 and 18 points, you're a classic cruiser. Not bad. You definitely know your way around some vintage rides, but there's still room for some fine-tuning. If you scored between 19 and 27 points, congrats, you're a muscle car maverick. You can handle a V8 and you know your classics, but are you ready to go full throttle? If you scored between 28 and 36 points, you're officially a Vintage Wheels legend. You belong in the Classic Car Hall of Fame. Are you secretly a car encyclopedia? Because that was a flawless performance. Did you enjoy the quiz? Let us know your score in the comments and challenge your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic car fun.